I congratulate the organizers of Pune Hackathon 2015. The CP sir has already given message. Sir is very progressive and he has already confirmed our participation in the present hackathon. I have been given responsibility of identifying the problem areas which the youngsters who are participating in this hackathon can address, so that we can serve the citizens of Pune in a better way. Primarily, I like to highlight three problem areas. The first is manpower utilization. As you all know, the basic work of policing is addressing the law and order situations, and we already have various police stations and there is manpower, and if any problem crops up, we address it through the mobilization of manpower from that particular area. But sometimes it so happens that the manpower of that particular police station is not enough to address the problem, and hence we have to mobilize our manpower resources from various other police stations and headquarters. In this case, if the problem or the digital solution is provided through which we can monitor the manpower utilization and optimally utilize the manpower, then I feel one of the most important tasks of ours, that is manpower utilization for addressing law and order duties, will be solved. The second problem that we face is many times citizens make applications to the police stations or senior officers enumerating their problems, and generally we treat it as application inquiries. In this case, many times it so happens that there is no particular track of which applications has been filed by whom under which subject, and hence there is a delay in addressing the application inquiry as such, because it is different from the crime or offences that is registered. Generally, offences registers are enumerated in a very particular way, and hence likelihood of not addressing them immediately does never crop up. But application inquiries are another sort where there is a need for properly documenting those application inquiries at various offices, and if such a solution is provided by this hackathon, then the duplication will be not only be resolved, but also we could address the problem of application inquiries in a better way. When I say application inquiry, it means such a problem which can not be defined as a typical offense, and hence it is an application inquiry. Like say there is a problem of tenant versus the owner of the flat, or any or there is a civil dispute which is a kind of quasi criminal dispute where applicant feels that he has been cheated by a certain person. These kind of application inquiries are treated by the police in a very serious way. The third problem area that I like to address is many times we insist on our part for security purpose is that people should get character verified of the employees, as well as owners of the flats and houses should register the tenants with the police station in which it is situated. In this case, the present situation is that the owners or the employers has to approach the concerned police stations and physically and take the character verification or register the tenant agreements. In this case, I like to get a solution whereby this will be done online, so that citizens don't have to approach the police stations again and again, and this work will be simplified. At the same time, on our end, this information will be provided to us in a very elaborate way, so that we can also re-verify it. Vehicular theft is a very common problem. Generally, it happens that a vehicle is stolen from jurisdiction of certain police station area, and after some days or months it is abandoned in the jurisdiction of certain other police station area, and in this case there is no solution right now, and we have to search physically for the chassis number, engine numbers of the abandoned vehicles, because many times it so happens that even the number plate is removed or it is changed to any other fake number. So public or citizens, when if the vehicle is stolen, he cannot get that vehicle back. In this case, I like a solution in which police can upload the information of the stolen vehicles, especially engine number, chassis number, on a web portal or in any other application, and public can easily search the seized vehicles which are abandoned by the thieves, and they can get these vehicles back. Right now, as in Pune Police Commissioner itself, around 1,000 vehicles are lying because of lack of information about the owners of the vehicle, and this solution can easily help us find the owners of the stolen vehicles. So thank you very much, and I hope that we get solutions to our problems so that we can serve the citizens of Pune in a better way.